Today we're diving into the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed to tackle hard-to-reach areas and heavy pet hair. This ultra-slim model combines powerful suction with an advanced self-cleaning dock, offering a comprehensive solution for busy households. Check the link in the description for the best price. We evaluate how effectively the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2 performs its core cleaning tasks in real-world home environments. The ultra-slim design is a standout feature, enabling this robot to navigate and clean thoroughly under low furniture and tight spaces that other robots often miss. Its powerful 25,000 paw suction ensures thorough debris removal from floors, proving highly effective for general vacuuming needs across your home. The dual anti-tangle brush system is a significant advantage, efficiently preventing hair wrap and maintaining consistent performance, especially helpful for pet owners. AI-powered obstacle recognition and precise navigation ensure it efficiently maps your home, adapting to furniture and avoiding common household items with ease. This robot vacuum demonstrates strong capabilities across key cleaning scenarios, excelling at reaching tough spots and managing pet hair effectively in varied home layouts. We examine the unique features and overall package the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2 offers in relation to its premium price point. The ultra-slim profile is a unique selling point, providing access to spaces most other premium robots cannot reach, adding genuine value for many users. The advanced dock offers exceptional hands-free convenience with hot water mop washing, warm air drying, and automatic dust emptying, streamlining your cleaning routine. Its powerful suction and anti-tangle brush system are perfectly suited for pet owners, efficiently managing pet hair and maintaining clean floors with less effort. When compared to other high-end models, it carves out a strong niche, offering a compelling blend of unique slim design and robust premium features. The Qrevo Edge 2 offers substantial value, delivering advanced features like its slim design, comprehensive automation, and excellent pet-focused cleaning capabilities for its price. It's essential to understand potential downsides, including complexity and market alternatives, before investing in a premium robot vacuum. The multifunctional dock, while convenient, does involve several systems like water heating and dust collection that require ongoing maintenance and occasional user interaction. The advanced object recognition and navigation rely on robust software, making consistent firmware updates and reliable app performance crucial for long-term satisfaction. Potential buyers should carefully compare its premium price against earlier Roborock models, as discounted options might offer similar core features for less investment. Roborock maintains a strong track record for customer support and product development, which provides significant peace of mind for buyers investing in their devices. Potential buyers should be mindful of the dock's complexity and size, but the brand's robust support and generally reliable software help mitigate overall risks. The Roborock Qrevo Edge 2 stands out for its unique ultra-slim design, making it ideal for accessing tight spaces under furniture. Its robust cleaning power, especially for pet hair, combined with the extensive automation of its dock, offers a highly convenient experience. While the large dock and system complexity are factors to consider, this robot vacuum delivers exceptional performance for those prioritizing thorough, automated cleaning in challenging environments.